Hello, ladies. It's Loretta, and I really appreciate you guys taking the time to make the buttons for our upcoming project. These buttons will be going out in the November patient care packages. I will shoot some photos to kind of explain things a little bit better, but let's start with the basics. This is a button making machine. I think that all three of you guys used one when we were at a craft club meeting this last summer. Okay, the first thing I want to do is get you to notice that this and this are in the back of this carriage. That's important because that means the dies are in the correct order. This top plate does retract up and down, and this is a really easy process for making a button. You will be receiving this box with all the parts of the button, and you'll also be receiving all of the pieces that are going to be the graphic of the button. I want you to notice this top part is turned all the way to the left, and you cannot really see those three little prongs. That's really important. You're going to want to line this up to the top die. We have our paper graphic that goes on top. You'll see that that fits much better because it is 1.60 inches in diameter. I'm going to take this acetate. That goes over the top. Now if you notice it's like sliding one way or another because of the static, you can go over the paper with a dryer sheet and that will stop that static. So we're going to put that in there. Pull down the handle. We have our button back in where the clasp is upside down and the wiggly part of the button is facing up and it's at an angle. Push that over to the left and pull it down. And as you can see, since the graphic is the correct size, it works perfectly. All right, ladies, I need 100 of them. I hope that you're going to enjoy this project. If you want to make, say, 20 or 30 buttons for yourselves, please feel free to use my supplies to do so. If you have any questions, you've got my email, you have my phone number, all that good stuff, so give me a call. Hope you're all doing well. I will see you very soon. Bye for now.